Today, I will demonstrate easiest way how to create an AI song using with any voice in 5 minutes. This is step-by-step tutorial so that anyone can do it online and for free without having to install anything on their computer. At the end of the video, I'll reveal what the final cover looks like, so watch until the end. Selecting a song and separating the sound. First, we'll choose a song whose voice we want to change. Then we download the song and use the tool X- to separate the sound and voice. We download two files to our computers for the artist's voice and the song's sound. On the FAQ website, click on AI Tools and the voice-to-voice. You don't need any registration. The tool is free, but you need to wait queue. It usually takes no more than 2 minutes. First, I select the target voice. Then I insert the voice file I'm uploading and click the Convert button. After a while, I can download the modified voice file, combining the voice track with the sound. Using the Merge Audio Online tool, you can very easily combine the resulting two audio files. First, select the resulting voice file, and then the original song soundtrack. At the top of the page, switch to the Overlay function and create the final AI cover song with the Overlay button. Copyright. Unfortunately, AI-generated cover songs are a gray area. Therefore, be cautious and do not upload them to your established channels to prevent your channel from being damaged by copyright owner interventions. Now we will listen to the result of our work.
I found a love for me. Darling, just dive right in. Follow my lead.
How do you like the result? Write your opinion in the comments and don't forget to subscribe. If you want to try other ways to create original songs using AI tools for free, check out the featured video as well.